Olympic National Park.
For Taryn's birthday.
For Taryn's birthday.
We are in Forks, Washington, the home of Twilight.
Oh, yes.
We're not huge Twilight fans, but we have been watching the movies over the last couple of days, and Jason pretends like he doesn't like it, but he kind of does.
It's not just me. I mentioned it to the front desk, and they're like, oh, I bet you wish you had that 2 hours of your life back, don't you?
Which is exactly what he said at the end of the first movie. But you sat and watched the second one. So anyway, if you come to Forks, it's all about Twilight, but we are here for the national park. We have
Olympic National Park.
Olympic National Park. We have actually been to Olympic National Park, but we've been to the other side. Olympic is huge. It's almost 1 million acres, and there's so much to see, but it's really spread out. So this is our second visit here, and we are on the ocean side this time, the western side. So today we are going to go to the Hoh Rainforest. We're going to do Sol Duke, is how I think you say it, another day, and we're going to go do a bunch of beach time for Taryn's birthday. So I actually woke up this morning and I'm like, hey, hun, you want to go hiking in a rainforest? Like, that's not something I ever thought I would say.
Yeah.
So we're really looking forward to it, but it is July and we are wearing jackets. It's chilly.
Feels good, though.
It does. At least we're not melting in Texas.
That's correct.
That's cool.
It's just a lid.
Feel the texture on this. Oh, are those teeth right there? Look down, see? Those teeth?
Why is this?
I don't think you can. To Miami. Wow.
138 inches.
Huh? It rains a lot here with an average annual rainfall of 138 inches.
Phoenix down at the bottom.
Look at January though. Like, look how much January gets. In February, March.
November 22.
November is rainy season, huh? This amount of rain is just completely unbelievable to us. Beautiful. They say this is some of the cleanest water. Zachary, you got your bug spray on. Come on, put your jacket on.
Olive mosses, Spruce Trail, that's 1.2 miles. And then
We're looking for the 1.8. It's very beautiful.
I want to just jump into that.
Yeah. The trees in this rainforest are absolutely incredible. Some of them are thousands of years old and they were just beautiful.
It's a banana slide.
See it moving?
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, this is really cool, you guys. Feels, yes, very magical and mossy in here.
Yeah, I'm gonna go in it. Go. I'm gonna go in it. Here. Oh, that's it's like entirely hollow. Entirely. And look at this part. It looks unreal. I was here for thousands of years.
It's a little baby one.
No, it's actually big. It goes in there.
Whoa, that one's big.
Yeah, it's probably.
Hey, Zachary, tell me about where we are.
I don't know.
Good job.
We just found a really tall. See, that looks like a really tall slide.
Show it to me.
Me? Pick up a hiker I don't recognize back there. Exploring a rainforest with our family is not something we ever thought we would do. It's not something we ever even thought to put on our bucket list. But this day was so magical and beautiful, and I'm just so thankful we got to do this with our kids. The next day, the boys had a ton of energy, so Jason and I decided to walk them down to the little park within our campground. Jason did not have quite as much energy. Unfortunately, keeping an East Coast work schedule on the West Coast is kind of taking a toll on him when you add in all the extra hiking and adventuring we've been doing. Jonah, you might fall over. Wake up!
Leave me alone.
The funny thing is, the very next day, I spotted Taryn taking a nap on our picnic table. She's Jason's mini-me. Clones be cloning. Our next adventure out is in the La Push area of Olympic National Park. This is Rialto Beach, and there were so many incredible driftwood trees. It was like a playground for both us and the kids. There's some really great hiking down to Hole in the Wall, but we decided not to do that. We were fine just staying in this area, and it was really, really beautiful, but it was a really dreary day too. Believe it or not, these photos are in color. It was just so dreary this day. They almost look like they're black and white, which is just, as a photographer, that's incredible to me. That's pretty, Jonah.
Looks like an agate.
It does. It's beautiful. It's easy to see when it's overcast because the... Oh, look, right there. You see him? He's all the way over here now. Look, you see him? There's an incredible amount of driftwood trees here. It just goes on and on for miles. Pretty cool.
Yep.
Pretty cool. Like, look at all the knots on that one. There's over there climbing. Oh, Daddy won!
Nope.
Jonah, bringing up the rear. Stay tuned for our next video where we're going to explore even more areas of Olympic National Park, including visiting the Tree of Life on Taryn's birthday and hiking Sol Duck.